and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has acknowledged filings from crypto asset manager Grayscale to list spot XRP and DogeCoin ETFs. The SEC's Feb 13 acknowledgements of Grayscale's Form 19B4 filings for Grayscale XRP Trust and the Grayscale DogeCoin Trust means the clock will soon start for the agency to review and decide on the applications with a mandated 240-day deadline. So the 240-day timer will start when Grayscale's filings are submitted to the SEC's Federal Register, which typically happens within days. And if entered now, it would mean the SEC's decision deadline would be in mid-October. Michigan has become the latest US state to propose a strategic Bitcoin reserve bill, bringing the total number of states moving crypto reserve-related legislation to 20. On February 13, Representatives Brian and Ron Robinson introduced HB 4087 to amend the State's Management and Budget Act to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve. And the Michigan bill would allow the state's treasurer to invest in crypto from both the General Fund and Economic Stabilization Fund with a cap of 10%. So the bill does not specify any limits or guidelines for what cryptocurrencies can be bought for the reserve. Solana's all-time inbound bridge volume since 2021 has reached more than $10.1 billion, a 114% increase over its total volume to Feb 2024, which was $4.7 billion. A flipside data dashboard by analyst Hawk showed that on February 10, Solana's crypto bridges reached a total inbound volume of $10.1 billion, and the data showed that the UST coin was the most bridged asset in the Solana ecosystem, with $3.9 billion all-time inbound volume and the $4.7 billion outbound volume. So Ether followed in second place with about $2 billion in inbound and outbound volumes, while the chain's native asset Solana was in the third place with $1.5 inbound and $1 billion outbound volume. Binance-linked BNB chain leapfrogged Solana in daily fees to lead all blockchains, according to Nansen data. So BNB chain generated over $5.8 million in daily fees on Feb 13, surpassing Solana's $3.3 million and totaling more than 5 times the sum of Ethereum. So this marked the first time since Halloween 2024 when Bitcoin had a standout day that a blockchain other than Ethereum or Solana led the industry in daily fees. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong says it's the dawn of a new era for crypto in the US and predicted that as much as 10% of global GDP will be crypto-based by 2030. So if Armstrong's prediction plays out, it would mean over $10 trillion in value would be tokenized or on-chain based on today's global GDP of over $100 trillion, according to the World Bank. And he told investors that Coinbase is going to be the preferred partner to come in and build this for many of the companies out there, as his firm reported a total Q4 revenue of $2.3 billion, up 88% quarter-on-quarter. Remix Point, a Japanese energy consulting firm that decided to build up cryptocurrency reserves, boosted its holdings by more than 8,000% in the 9 months ended December 31st and is now close to having spent its target of 10 billion yen, amounting to around $65 million. So the Tokyo-based company held 5.8 billion yen, worth $38 million of crypto at year-end, up from 68 million on March 31st, and it had spent 9 billion yen on crypto as of Thursday, it said in an earnings presentation without giving the current value of its holdings. So the lion's share of Remix Point's investments were allocated to Bitcoin, while the firm also invested in Ether, Sol, XRP and DogeCoin. Short-term Bitcoin holders have added 1.5 million Bitcoin since September, taking the total to over 4 million Bitcoin, according to Glassnode. Well, this equates to an average accumulation of approximately 300,000 Bitcoin per month. During this period, Bitcoin surged from $60,000 to $109,000 before pulling back below $100,000. So Glassnode defines STHs as those who have held Bitcoin for less than 155 days. And meanwhile, long-term holders, investors who have held Bitcoin for more than 155 days have distributed 1.2 million Bitcoin during the same period. This indicates significant profit taking following Bitcoin's strong rally since November, and the continued offloading by LTHs has been a major factor in Bitcoin's stall price action since mid-November. Ethereum developers have set key dates for the Petra upgrade, planning to activate it on the Holsky testnet on Feb 24 and Sepolia on March 5. So if successful, Petra could go live on the Ethereum mainnet around April 8, and during the latest Ethereum co-developer call, they also discussed Pico's proposal to finalize the Fusaka upgrade scope before Pectra's launch. Additionally, Pico suggested extending the EIP submission period to allow broader discussions, and these developments mark crucial steps in Ethereum's continuous evolution and upgrade process. A crypto whale scooped up 40 million broccoli tokens, spending $5 million to become its largest holder, and this triggered a 160% price surge fueled by social media hype and increased investor interest. Inspired by Binance founder CZ's dog, broccoli-themed meme coins have flooded the market, with one even hitting a $1.5 billion market cap. So Doge, Floki and Whiff have also rallied alongside broccoli. Despite CZ clarifying he is not involved, whale activity continues to drive momentum, making broccoli one of the most watched tokens in the meme coin space. The ICC has partnered with Near Protocol to integrate AI into its digital platform, so the 2025 Men's Championship Trophy. Fans will enjoy a unique experience with features like match predictions, player of the match voting and behavior tracking, and AI will personalize fan engagement, analyzing interactions and building a personalized record of activity. So at the end of the tournament, fans will receive a recap of their predictions, votes and other insights from their experience. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code.